How to make an Instagram carousel and post multiple photos and videos. Instagram carousels lets us share multiple photos or videos in one post, which boosts the engagement and keeps people swiping. So if we do not use this feature, we miss out on more reach and interaction. So let's create a carousel step by step. Open up Instagram app for that, and once we open it up, we can basically start by creating up a new post directly. For that, basically look out for the create option. So once you are here, you can tap on this plus option at the very top left and look out for the option of creating up a post. And once we select post, we can just go over and select multiple photos or videos. We can just go over and tap on this option of select multiple, and that will let us click on multiple, choose up to 10 photos or videos. You can just go over and do so and tap on next and confirm it up. So for example, I have selected about 5. You can do up to 10 photos or videos, and you can mix the photos or videos in one carousel. So for that, once you select up images that you would like to add or the videos that you like to add, you can apply a filters. You can look out for the filter option, and you can apply a filter either all at once like this, or you can just go over and individually also do it and tap on done or next when done, and you can see the filter being applied directly. And you can even write up your caption, tap on next once you do so, and look out for the caption option, which should be available here. So you can tap on this add a caption section and you can type in a caption here. After that is done, you can even add up an audio if you'd like to add up an audio for your casual post, and even tag people if needed. Similarly, we have option of adding location, which is optional. You can do so. And similarly, we have this option of audience here. We can choose up our audience settings here. That lets us choose our audience. And once it is done, you can tap on more options as well in order to edit it out, adding a reminder, hiding the like count, share count, etc. Just go over and do so. And basically, once you're okay with it, you can just go over and tap on share and wait for the upload to be finished up. Your Instagram carousel is now live. Again, just go over and put up the best photo or video on the first for hook. You can use storytelling, before after result, mix the photos and the videos for higher engagement, swipe and caption to encourage swipes and get more reach. And Instagram posts carousels more in feed. And that's how we basically make up Instagram carousel and post multiple photos or videos very easily. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.